Okay, so I've been experimenting with a while, making my own frames and then adding like a relief, a sculptural part onto the piece. So I was really, when I made this, I loved it. And I made it, I'd never done any turtles. Like you see a lot of turtle, I had a little turtle as well. We see a lot of turtle paintings and things, but I wanted to do something different. Yeah, my turtle, this is a sea turtle, but my turtle, and it's going in the wrong direction because he was she, no, I think it's a boy. He was, he came out at night and he was heading towards the sea but got washed back and has just lost his kind of like, you know, he's a bit confused, so he's going to turn back after a while. But my little one was called Zenitha, but she ran off. She ran through a gap in the fence and I didn't know until like a couple of hours later, so it was just like, she was gorgeous. Anyway, so there's this one, and this is the texture. So I think, you know, I was trying to get the sand texture, and I think I nailed it in the sense that, you know, there's you can get different types of sand, and if you go up to Bathsheba you get a darker type of sand, different than if you went to, say, you know, Dover Beach or Miami Beach. And I'll show you another piece of art that I've used this same texture. So we might have, and as you can see, the texture of her hair, and I've used some gold, and then this is a pre-made, but I really like them, and I will be putting them, they are available for sale if you are interested in them. But yeah, it's the way that we can use different supplies to create texture. So you can use anything that you can think about, as long as you can stick it down. Now I use a lot of gesso as well, and I use that for texture. And you can then go over it with like gold, like a gold paint. This is gel textured, sand textured gel. I mixed it with some black paint and it's gone hard. I wonder if I can put some water in it. But there's this kind of thing, and you get different types of texture paint. And I use also wood shavings. Wood shavings are good to create, especially texture like this. So yeah, just wanted to show that to you. And I was really pleased the way this one turned out, and I might make a few more. So cute.